Good morning to all. Again, myself, Mr. Abhinarayan Behera, hospital on good, and again, special many thanks to giving us a good platform for interaction with all of us, and my LOS. So, discuss about the most important part of the eye, which is the most sensitive. तो आखि को हमको कहा जाए जे होची शरीर रो झरका. It is the window of a body. What eye says, mouth cannot say. आखि जहा कहिबो कहि परिबो माने आखि कहूतबा कथा रो मीनिंग बहुत डीप than the what mouth says. So it is a very important topic. So request the have our slides for which we can have details about the eye health. So over to Mukund sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. तो फ्रेंड रवि सर स्क्रीन विजिबल होची.
Okay, 100%.
Okay sir, continue.
Welcome to all to this great session about the vision health, and I have a request to all must be attentive so that we can take of our eyes health. So again, next slide please. Before going to discuss about the eye health, so let us have some knowledge about the structure. आंखों का स्ट्रक्चर वो कैसा है, कैसा काम करता है, तो इसी बारे में तो almost all you know about this structure in the school career, college career, the same things. So anatomy of the eye, that front part is our lens. Next cornea, जो बोलते हैं कि स्वच्छ पटल. Then pupil, जोड़ा के हमारा allows the into the eye. Then posterior chamber, ciliary muscles, iris. Then our comes to the retina, the most important part of the eye. When we compare the function of the eye to a camera, तो जदि हमें कैमेरा सहित आखिर फंक्शन को तुलना करिबा एक्जेक्टली द सेम, बट जदि कैमेरा रो फिल्म जदि ठीक नथिबो, सो आपनकर लेंस आखिर कर्निया आपनकर लेंस जते स्ट्रांग थिले भी देयर विल बी नो फोटोग्राफ ऑफ व्हाट यू से और यू टेक द फोटोग्राफ ऑफ. तनो हमें जहा देखुचे, जहा हमें चारिकर जहा अनुभव करूचे, से सबुर फोटो ए रेटिना ऊपर आसे. तो ए रेटिना होचे हमर कैमेरा रो फिल्म. ए रेटिना टी खराब हे जाए बा ए जेमति कैमेरा रो फिल्म खराब हेले फोटो आसीबो नाही, सो ब्लर हे जीवो, सेही अनुसार हमर रेटिना रो अवस्था होइताय. सो इट इज द इंपोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द आई. नेक्स्ट ऑप्टिक नर्व, जोटा कि हमर विजुअल सेंसेशन बा दृष्टि रो जो सेंसेशन अछि ताकू ब्रेन को कैरी करे. देन आवर कम्स टू द माकुला, द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट पार्ट फॉर विजन, विजुअल एक्यूटी, देखिबार तीक्ष्णता, ये माकुला ऊपर निर्भर. नेक्स्ट आवर ब्लड वेसल्स इन आईसाइट, रेटिनल ब्लड वेसल्स. artery, vein, they have also major role in protecting the eye. Next, vitreous body, that is also a huge body that creates the volume of the eye. So these are all the necessary parts of the eye that by which or we see, by we distinguish the different objects. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Okay. Then, so regarding the eye health, it is very, very important for the prevention is better than cure. So before any becoming it the prey to any diseases, first we must be protective, and that is in our hand. But को disease रे आमे आखि की protection दे परिबा सेटा आम हाथ रे अछि. So let us go for the main causes of blindness. जो अंधत्वर शिकार आमे होचे, what are the factors we will discuss now. So before that, with aging, common eye changes. जब उम्र बढ़ जाता है तो so many problems, not only eyes but also other parts of body also affected. So relating to eye, there is a disease called AMD, age-related macular degeneration. It are 90% people they suffer from the age, and it has been seen that Western people are more victim to these diseases. पाश्चात्य country, आपण American country कहंतु, आपण European country कहंतु, they are more vulnerable to this disease. AMD, age-related macular degeneration. जो macula मु anatomy रे कहितली, जे responsible for our 100% responsible for our central vision. So that macula goes degenerated, lacks some, not receive the photoreceptors, light sense, color sense, form sense. All these senses cannot it receive when the age are बढ़ तक ऐसा प्रॉब्लम आता है. By this, cataract also a major causes of the blindness, which is we called as 80% cause of blindness is cataract, and AMD is among them. So AMD contributes 10% of the blindness, but then next disease decreased accommodation. So our, I mean, like a camera, we have seen the we changes, we adjust the aperture, the function. So accommodation when you lose, जेतले आखिर contraction प्रसारण क्षमता जोटा most powerful power of the आखि, say accommodation when you lose, we lose seeing the object properly. So next slide, please. So age-related macular degeneration कौन, जोटा कि यदि हमें सचेतन न हेबा बा हम लोग को इतना अवेयरनेस अगर नहीं आएगा तो we may feel victim to this diseases. So macular degeneration, if it is affected, then he goes blind forever. And macular diseases दुई प्रकार अछि, गोटे होची wet, गोटे dry, से आउरी more deep structure, but above all we count it is a one macular degeneration. So one of the leading cause of vision loss, eta bartaman in India also before 20 years the rate of macular like anything. So one of the leading cause of vision loss, then it is a natural degeneration with the aging. Okay, then affects the retina, vision and visual acuity. हमारा जो सेंट्रल विजन बा जो विजुअल अक्यूटी, जो देखिबार जो सांद्रता बा तीक्ष्णता, सेटा डिपेंड करे माकुलार पार्ट ऊपर. Next, once you get into this condition, then it is irreversible. It cannot be reversed. Once we are affected by this changes in a macula, it cannot be reversed. So cataract may be the precursor to AMD. So cataract also follows AMD. Age-related macular degeneration, simultaneously it ties with a cataract AMD. এবং macular diseases বা macular degeneration, again it goes worse and worse. But cataract, here I like to say, cataract is curable. Cataract by operation we can cure it, but AMD we cannot do anything for it. Though some measures are there, laser therapy, some special is there, the prognosis is very bad. So we should careful about this macular health. So next slide, please. Age-related macular degeneration, again, lutein, an important carotenoid, is a primary constituent of the macular region, where it provides antioxidant protection. So lutein, carotenoids, beta carotenes, all are these the carotenoid groups. When coming to our body, it is converted into vitamin A. So these lutein carotenoids we should take outside of our body from, and all these things. So we get a lutein. So macula, जो central part of the eye जोटा रही, so इसमें rods and cones, ये सब जो फोटो रिसेप्टर, लाइट इज रिसीवर जो नर्व्स एंडिंग से है, they are become lazy day to day, they become inactive to receive the senses. So if lutein is enough there in macula, then we may be protected from AMD. Next, AMD victims have been found to have low macular lutein density. So lutein, if there is less lutein, there is less function of a macula. So certain levels of lutein have been clinically proven to delay and prevent the progression of AMD. As per independent studies, lutein may also reduce the risk of a cataract. Okay. So next, mo aji bahi dekhuthili je actually they have given more importance to the lutein, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. These are the antioxidants, fat soluble antioxidants. They doctors, we advise the patient to take it. So why not before that? Next slide, please. Early symptoms. When macular degeneration starts, what happens to us? Ame kemti janima je gote macular problem asiala ba something went wrong with our eye. So blur vision आपनकर blurring हबो. ओभी lines will being the अछि जे देखिबे lines, straight lines become wavy, you can mark it. Then poor color discrimination, the intensity of a color sense will be very poor. Then extreme sensitive to the glare, they cannot tolerate to the glare, like a system users, like a sun, like a lights, they are poor sensitive to the glare. Then difficulty in switching from bright to dark. जेतेबेला हमें bright to dark आसीबा, will face some problem than the other people. काहे कि ना our accommodation power, our adaptation to the light, it will take some time. Next slide, please. Accelerates due to, so physical inactivity. What are the reasons maybe behind this? So as it is in our control, so we should aware about the what are the things we have to avoid, like physical inactivity, poor diet, high stress levels, smoking, working condition, overweight, high BP, diabetes, hereditary, sunlight exposure. So physical inactivity, आपनो आज जनरल हेल्थ आमे 3-4 दिन हेला देखि आसुचे जे हार्ट हेल्थ हो, डायबिटीज हेल्थ हो, so all are lifestyle diseases. So AMD by eye health is also one of them. So physical activity should be there. Morning walk, yoga, exercise, poor diet should be okay. High stress level, stress-free life, smoking no, working conditions should be good. No pollution should be in our condition. Next, overweight, that diabetes, these are to be controlled. Hereditary, if hereditary is there, then AMD is also must. यदि किसका पेरेंट्स में AMD है, मैकुलर डिजेनरेशन है, तो उनको बच्चों को होना कंपल्सरी है. Then sunlight exposure is a major factor now that radiates the UV rays radiation that damage to our eye very seriously. Even if आमे जदि सूर्य पराग देखिबा खाली आखिरे काई मना करंदी, because that UV light is more active in that period and that causes solar retinopathy. सूर्य को रेरु होचु बोली ताको आमे retinopathy कहउछु, and also we have seen the examples. So long hours of watching TV and sitting in front of a computers, long hours, आमे 3 घंटा 4 घंटा 5 घंटा, now is a trend of doing 6 to 8 hours in the office. System users, we should be careful in between in the watching the TV or in between in the system work. We should take rest. We should use the anti-glare computer screen. We should use the anti-glare spectacles, and also the I will tell about the how lutein health. There is a great demo also how lutein also protect us from inside against the attack of UV rays or blue violet radiation, which is invisible coming from the computers and a TV. So next slide please. How to support eye health? आंखों का हेल्थ के लिए हमको कौन सा सपोर्ट लेना चाहिए? Eye protection, well balanced diet rich in carotenoids, the beta carotenes, multi carotenes, the lutein health, all are the beta carotene groups, and they are also the precursor of the vitamin A. They are synthesized in the body and convert into vitamin A that we require every day, especially lutein. Lutein हम लोग जानते हैं स्पाइनाक, स्वीट कॉर्न, केले, ब्रोकली डेली लेना है, इसमें लुटीन है. आप सोचो हम डेली कितना लेते हैं ब्रोकली, केले, स्वीट कॉर्न एंड स्पाइनाक. रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज मस्ट, adequate rest 6 hours 6 to 7 hours and positive attitude. पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड हम लोग अच्छा तरह जानता है कि पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड कैसा. मेरा तो पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड बहुत आ गया इसमें आने के बाद, टुवर्ड्स सराउंडिंग्स, टुवर्ड्स फ्रेंड सर्कल, टुवर्ड्स ऑफिस वर्कर्स, एवरीवेयर. सो positive attitude, everything, the stress-free life. We always should take a stress-free life. Next slide, please. Neutrality bilberry with lutein, anti-aging support for your eyes. So prevention is better than cure. रोग हमको आक्रमण करने से पहले हमको तैयार होना चाहिए कि मैकुला जिसमें permanently makes a person blind, how we will be protected from it, and that macula contains lutein. Lutein is sufficient in macula. यदि lutein कमी गला, अगर lutein इसमें कम हो जाता है, the otherwise it is also called beta carotene, then macula starts give its function slowly ये starts to function in the eye. So anti-aging support में your lutein will help a lot. Next your bilberry. बिलबेरी जो अमेरिकन कंट्री में आता है, यूरोप में इसको ब्लूबेरी कहते हैं, एंड हमारे इंडिया में जामू कोली, स्ट्रॉबेरी. So berries group are so many, berries are fruits are there. So along with lutein, bilberry, it is a the high research molecule so far related to the eye health. So again lutein with bilberry. Next slide please. Neutrality bilberry with lutein. About bilberry क्या होता है, support better eye health and function. It is an health tonic for eye, anti-aging, antioxidant, support to eyes. The same things last 3 to 4 days we have been seeing the same process, same function about the role of antioxidant in heart health, in diabetes, in so many health problems, likewise in eye also. So unique blend of lutein, extracts of bilberry, extracts of black currant and vitamin A contain exclusively neutralite spina concentrated. So what are the source of lutein, source of macular health? So it is a blend of lutein, extract of bilberry, I told you, then extract of black currant, also herbs, some fruits, another one, then vitamin A. गाजर खाइबा को कहा जाए, गाजर रे आपनकर विटामिन ए, उसका जो होता है ना डेरिवेटिव्स, आपका बीटा कैरोटीन, आपका जिजांथिन, ये सब विटामिन ए गाजर में बहुत है. देन कंटेन एक्सक्लूसिवली न्यूट्रलाइट स्पिना कंसंट्रेटेड, जोटा हमर लुटेन हेल्थ रे अछि. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. Neutralite bilberry with lutein. So per serving provide serving size 2 tablets. So 10 milligram lutein is a right one. I have seen it now. So lutein is obtained from marigolds petals, one of the nutrient richest source of lutein. So marigold जो flower है, इसमें the petals of the flower plant. Next supports eye function and healthy vision. Directly it works for macular health. देखिए अगर आपका माकुला गए ना, माकुलर अगर कुछ डिजेनरेशन स्टार्ट हुआ, माकुलर को देखिए माकुला ये तो एज के हिसाब से वो तो डिजेनरेशन हो गया, लेकिन पहले बाद से भी हम लोग को रेटिनोपैथी माकुलर हेल्थ भी प्रॉब्लम आता है. So I like to say here, यदि एक प्री मैच्योर बेबी लेस देन से 1500 ग्राम, वो प्री मैच्योर ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन दे के रखा हुआ होता है, उसका रेटिना प्रॉब्लम होता है. अगर हम लोग उसको फॉलोअप नहीं करेंगे तो हर दिन के लिए उनका आंखों चला जाता है. हर गुरुवार को अनुगुल में प्री मैच्योर बेबी का आंखों का टेस्ट होता है. ये कंपलसरी है, क्योंकि उनका रेटिना का डेवलपमेंट उतना सफिशिएंट नहीं होता है, और जो ऑक्सीजन देता है वो मेक्स सम ब्लॉकेज इनसाइड द वेन्स एंड आर्टरीज, दैट ब्लॉकेज द विजन आल्सो, सर्कुलेटरी पाथ, एवरीथिंग. सो फ्रॉम बर्थ वी आर विक्टिमाइज्ड टू द रेटिनल हेल्थ. सो एटी कहिबार उद्देश्य हला जे अगलक मदर लोग, गर्भवती महिला, उसको रेगुलर लेते होंगे तो उतना प्रॉब्लम बच्चों को नहीं आएगा. तो नेक्स्ट हम लोग को और एक माकुलर हेल्थ हम अफेक्टेड होता है, कोई भी उम्र में भी हो सकता है, ड्यू टू द अंडरलाइंग डिजीजेस लाइक हाई ब्लड प्रेशर, डायबिटीज, दिस लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस also affect the macular health like anything. इसमें आपका विजन परमानेंटली चला जाएगा. मैकुलर डिजेनरेशन में जो उम्र में होता है वो तो स्लो में डिक्रीज करके 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 वो आपको ब्लाइंड करेगा, लेकिन ये जो अंडरलाइंग कजेस है, जो सिस्टमिक डिजीजेस है बॉडी में, लाइक डायबिटीज, हाइपरटेंसिव, जितना आपका कार्डियोवास्कुलर डिजीजेस है, वो सब अफेक्ट करता है हमारा माकुला को, जिसमें माकुला इनएक्टिव हो जाता है. जितना इंजेक्शन दे दो, जितना लेजर थेरेपी करो, जितना फोटो रिसेप्टर्स, रॉड्स, कोन्स माकुला में जितना है सबको एक्टिवेट करने के लिए जितना ट्रीटमेंट करो, वो सडन गोज टू ब्लाइंडनेस. एज रिलेटेड डिजेनरेशन में वो स्लो में अंधा हो जाता है व्यक्ति, लेकिन जो एक्वायर्ड रेटिनोपैथी होता है ड्यू टू द डिजीजेस, बॉडी डिजीजेस, सो वो सडन गोज ब्लाइंड। सो आप देखिए लुटिन का हेल्थ कितना बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल करता है। सो न्यूट्रलाइजेस फ्री रेडिकल्स डैमेज टू द रेटिना, वो द सेम न्यूट्रिक antioxidants plays on scavengers, they destroy the radicals inside the retina, like inside the body, inside the heart, inside the every part of the body where there is a free radicals. We have to supplement it with the food supplements, free radicals, scavengers. So scavengers झाड़ू मारिबा काम, सफा करिबा काम, so these antioxidants play important role, like also our lutein. Next, filters the high energy blue wavelength of light which is believed to induce oxidative stress. ये जो ब्लू वेव लाइट होता है ना, ये इनविजिबल है, we cannot see it. It is comes from our TV, LED TV. It comes from our systems. It comes from our mobiles. So everywhere we are in the clutch of this wavelength, blue wavelength of light. It is invisible, so it damages regularly. कहने का मतलब है हर दिन हमको यंग masses age of 25, 30, 32, 35 they come with macular problems. They comes with macular problems. So these macular problems due to these wavelengths, due to pollutions, due to wrong habits of foods, due to exposure to wavelengths and ultraviolet rays. So this lutein also filters, protects. उसका बाद एक तो अच्छा तरह डेमो है how lutein protects the blue light. It will enjoy after this slide. Next slide please. Then neutralite bilberry with lutein per serving size 2 tablets, 100 milligram of bilberry extract. Fruit provides an important antioxidant, anthocyanins importance for better eye health and function, supports a healthy blood vessels in the eye. So this is the role of a bilberry. Next slide please. Then per serving size 2 tablets, 50 gram black currant also in there. This is also fruit, provides an important antioxidant, so supports normal eyesight. So best antioxidant we are having in lutein health. Next, neutralite bilberry with lutein, MRP 2159, DAP discounted price 2081. Next, PV 19.83 around 20. So pack size 60 tablets to 2 times a day. Next slide please. So multi-carotene also, in addition to lutein, we can also take this one, powerful fat soluble mix of natural carotenoids found in fruits and vegetables, provides a broad spectrum of antioxidant activity, supports skin, eye, hair, immunity, cellular health. देखिए वो जो role of vitamin A, it also works in eye health, but also for a good skin, good hair, also for immunity and cellular health. Then carotenoid complex from 3 concentrated, then Dondelia, Salinea, algae, tomato जो lycopene होता है इसमें, marigold, lutein. So these are the source of multi-carotene. Next slide please. Then 1 gram of beta carotene from Dondelia, Salina, algae. Large quantity of performed vitamin A may be harmful. So beta carotene is vitamin A precursor, therefore it is a safe source as it can be converted into vitamin A when needed. So vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin, so we should take some gaps, but as it is a plant based beta carotene, there is no problem. So direct taking of vitamin A needs some interval of doses. Next slide please. Next multi-carotene 0.6 milligram of lycopene जोटा हमें टमाटर को चाहिए, then orange, then powerful antioxidant. Lycopene is also most powerful antioxidant, so supports DNA health. जिसका hereditary problem हो चुका था, इसमें it will helps to some extent. Then lutein from marigold, one of nature's richest source of lutein, provides antioxidant support to retina. Next slide, please. Then multi-carotene taken in combination with vitamin C, vitamin E, so completes the vitamin A, C, E. I mean, A, C, E, these are the fat soluble vitamins. So basket and provides a broad spectrum of antioxidant activity to scavenge the free radicals. So multi-carotene has a greater role for eye health. Next slide, please. Next, potential users, adults who do not eat enough fruits and vegetables, right? Especially yellow, orange and green. देखिए येलो ऑरेंज ग्रीन वो जो कलरफुल फ्रूट्स है ना, वो हमारा रेटिना में एक तो आरपीई रेटिनल पिगमेंट एपिथेलियम जो होता है ये कलरफुल होता है. When it loses its colors, retina when it loses its colors, it starts dysfunctioning. So we have to compensate it by the fruits, or if not then the supplements. Then who want additional antioxidant protection? Then individuals taking Quercetin E and Bio-C to have a complete basket of ACE, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. So antioxidant benefits who want to support skin and immunity health. Suggested take one subdosage 3 times a daily after meal. Next slide, please. Then multi-carotene is also around 12 PV. So it is a mixed antioxidant. ये ACE तीनों इसमें है. Next slide, please. Next, हमारा all plant protein the most. It is a basic product because of what's the most 9 essential amino acids. What we should take daily from outside of our body cannot make it oneself. So protein is a must. You know everyone about it. The best source of protein, soya, pea, and ये soya, yellow pea, and wheat. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Okay, Delhi. Delhi इसमें देखिए आपका हरा का न्यूट्रिशन है 13 विटामिन एंड 11 मिनरल्स. विटामिन ए है, विटामिन सी है, विटामिन ई है. हाँ, so Delhi is also important factor along with lutein health. Protein also must also na, it is a must. So Delhi आमे लुटिन साथी अदर्स जो मिनरल कहते जे जिंक, विटामिन सी, विटामिन ए, विटामिन ई, they are potent antioxidants. Next omega 3 good fat also required. देखिए आंखों में वो जो मैकुलर डिजेनरेशन होता है ना, ये क्या है? ये some yellow deposits like fats. So those fats are accumulated, bad fats are accumulated in the macula, age related macular degeneration, जो स्लो में आंखों को अंधा कर देता है. सो अगर हम लोग अच्छा तरह फैटी एसिड्स ले हैं, गुड फैट लेते हैं, तो ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि वो मेक ए बैलेंस बिटवीन 3, 6 and 9. So daily omega 3 is a must for eye health, also for brain and head. But eye बर्तन देखो हमारा every vitamin बटिका last 20 years I am seeing they are changing the contents. Now omega 3 is added to every multivitamin. So omega 3 is the best source of fish. Fish is a salmon fish is the best source of omega 3 rather than और प्लांट बेस्ड फ्लैक्सीड ऑयल होता है कि जो भी होता है उससे ये बेस्ट सोर्स. सो ओमेगा 3 इज ए मस्ट. नेक्स्ट, सो ओमेगा 3 आप लोग जानते हैं. सो इट इज डेली रिक्वायरमेंट. ओपीडी में आता है. हार्ट हेल्थ, ब्रेन हेल्थ, जॉइंट हेल्थ, सर्कुलेटरी हेल्थ एंड विजन हेल्थ. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. Thank you. सो आंखों के लिए तो हम सबको माने अवेयरनेस जरूर होना चाहिए। सो काल से हम लोग को लुटिन हेल्थ लेना ही चाहिए। उसके साथ ओपीडी तो कंपल्सरी, ओपीडी देखिए बेस लाइन फाउंडेशन प्रोडक्ट है, उसको तो माइनस करा नहीं जा सकते। तो जो स्पेशलिस्ट प्रोडक्ट है लुटिन हेल्थ, उसको उन साथ आप ले सकते हैं। मल्टी कैरोटीन भी ले सकता है। ऐसे भी भवानी सर का जो उद्देश्य जो सबका 500 पीवी होता है, आई एम एग्री विथ दिस। सो व्हेन वी कंबाइन omega 3 OPD, so it comes around 7,000 rupees, around 60-70 पीवी आता है। तो अगर हम लोग 10 आदमी को प्रमोट करेंगे तो ये फूड सप्लीमेंट तो हमको 500 पीवी आ जाएगा। तो इससे पहले हमको नॉलेज लेना चाहिए, क्यों लुटिन चाहिए, क्या क्या डिजीज होता है, तो ये बेस्ट हमको जानने से हमको बेस्ट ऑफर कर सकते हैं। तो नेक्स्ट अच्छा मुकुंद सर हमें देखि परिबा से डेमो हाउ लुटिन ब्लॉक्स द UV light, blue violet radiation, how it prevents।
Yes, yes, sir. Mukund sir, off करो the screen sir.